Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given the expression 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 17 multiplied by 4.1, 4.1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7, and we have to evaluate this and find the final product. Okay. So what we can do is, at first we are going to segregate the terms 4 and 4.1. So we can write the above expression as 4 multiplied by 4.1, and then we can multiply the remaining two terms, that is 10 raised to the power 17 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7. Okay. Now you might ask why we are doing so. We are doing so because you can see that 10 raised to the power 17 and 10 raised to the power 7, both these numbers have the same base, that is 10. So when two numbers having the same base are multiplied, then their exponents get added. So 4 multiplied by 4.1 will give us 16.4, right? 16.4, and multiplied by, from the rule of exponents, we can add the exponents since the base are same. So this will become 10 raised to the power 17 plus 7. Okay. So 16.4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 17 plus 7. So 17 plus 7 will give us 24, right? 10 raised to the power 24. Now if you check the options, then in none of the options the exponent of base 10 is 24. So what we can do is we can modify this, and how we are going to do so? We are going to do so by 164, see 1.64. So if we divide this number by 10, then we have to multiply it by 10, because otherwise the value will change. So what we can do is we are going to divide and multiply this expression by 10. So 16.4 divided by 10, and then we have to multiply it by 10, so that 10 and 10 cancel out each other and the overall expression remains same, and then we have 10 raised to the power 24. Now let's move forward. So 16.4 upon 10 will give us 1.64, and then we have 10 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24. So this will give us 10 raised to the power 24 plus 1, that is the exponents will get added, so it will become 10 raised to the power 25. So this will be our final required answer. So upon checking the options, we will see that option D. So option D will be our final required answer. Thank you.